When you're planning a move, most people think about packing, trucks, and timing. But almost no one thinks about one important thing. What happens if something gets damaged? Because here's the truth, not everything is fully covered by default. So in this video, I'll explain moving insurance in a simple way, what it actually means, why you need it, and how to choose the right option. First, understand this. It's not always full insurance. A lot of people think movers automatically cover everything. That's not true. Most moving companies provide something called valuation coverage. This means they have limited responsibility if something gets damaged. And in many cases, compensation is based on weight, not actual value. So if an expensive item gets damaged, you may not get its full price back. That's why understanding your coverage is important. 2, why moving insurance actually matters. Even with professional movers, things can happen. Tight staircases, heavy furniture, long distance transport. Accidents are rare, but possible. And if you don't have the right coverage, you have to pay the damage for yourself. Moving insurance is basically your financial protection during the move. It gives you peace of mind. 3, the 2 main types you need to know. Let's keep this very simple. 1, released value protection. This is the basic option, usually included at no extra cost, but it's very limited. It covers items based on weight, not real value. So if something valuable breaks, the payout may be very low. 2, full value protection. This is stronger coverage. If something gets damaged, the moving company must repair it, replace it, or compensate you based on its value. This is much better protection, but it usually costs extra. 4, why your moving contract matters. This is something people ignore. Your moving contract clearly defines what is covered, how much you'll get, how claims work. Without a proper contract, it's very hard to get compensation. So always read your contract carefully. 5, inventory is very important. Before your move, you should have a clear list of your items. This is called an inventory. It helps in 2 ways. You know what you're moving. You can prove what was damaged if something goes wrong. This is important for both you and the moving company. 6, how to choose the right coverage. Now, the big question, what should you choose? Ask yourself, are your items expensive? Do you have fragile furniture or electronics? Are you moving long distance? If your items are basic, the basic coverage may be enough. But if you have valuable items, full value protection is the safer option. 7, always ask questions before moving day. Before your move, talk to your moving company. Ask, what coverage do you offer? What are the limits? What is not covered? Clear communication avoids surprises later. At 617 Boston Movers, we always explain coverage clearly before the move, so customers know exactly what they're getting and what they're not, because this is one area where confusion can lead to problems. Moving insurance is not something to ignore. It's a small step that can protect you from big losses. So remember, not everything is covered. Understand your options. Read your contract. Choose the right protection. If you do this, your move becomes much safer and less stressful. If this helped you, subscribe to 617 Boston Movers for more real Boston moving tips. And if you have a question about your move, drop them in the comments. Good luck with your move.